Hello, Dr. Ajit. Thank you so much for joining me for this video. The intention for this video was for my YouTube channel. There are so many students, they are requesting that, is there any affordable course? Can they do some course which is certified? So the only name came to my mind is yours only, because I have taken few sessions in your courses, and I know that what type of quality you provide. So that's the reason, I invited you. And thank you so much for accepting the invite and taking out the time from a busy schedule. It's really an honor to talk with you. So for my audience, I just wanted to share that Dr. Ajit is ICMR scientist. He has a long list of credentials, I think more than 60 publications. I don't know how many conferences he attended, but how I met Dr. Ajit is with this initiative to help students when I wrote my book. And Dr. Ajit run many courses, and the highlight feature is affordability. The money with which you can buy your jeans, in the same you can buy a course, you can do a course. So that is the reason I invited Dr. Ajit. So thank you so much, Dr. Ajit, joining
Thank
us.
you, ma'am. Thank you, Saurabh very much for inviting me to this wonderful session. I believe that interactive session. And yes, we are running a lot of courses. And as you said that, our main purpose is to, make the pharmacy trainings and industrial trainings for healthcare students and healthcare professionals affordable and with the good quality. So, we have multiple courses, and yes, I started CLIMAD with the motive of there was only one motive, that we can, provide some specific skill-based trainings and skill-based courses to the pharmacy, medical, and other healthcare professionals. So, they can go to the industry hassle-free, and they can clear the, interviews, they can talk to the people, and they can show their, skills in the industry. And
Yes, yes,
that was our motto. And definitely, if you look at our prices, we don't look into the prices much. We just, if someone comes in our mind, like something new, or someone suggests us, like, okay, this will be better for the students, like from the institutions or from the industry perspective, or whatever the trends are going in the market or in
market.
industry, we go with that, and we just launch it. We invite the students to join that. Money is definitely the second part. But we don't focus on the money and the fees. We just charge a very affordable price from the students. So, we can, afford our resources. We can afford our, the tools what we are using. That's all. That's all. So, I think
Yes.
we can help the students in that. Thank you very much for inviting me, ma'am. Yeah.
Pharmacovigilance course, a diploma or a certificate, right? So they can pursue, and
Ma'am,
where
I
they can
think,
get a very
Sarab ji, I think you have to repeat the question because आपकी आवाज चली गई थी बीच में. So we'll cut that.
okay.
Okay.
Okay, no problem.
Yeah.
So, is there any course on a pharmacovigilance? So, students, they are very much interested in a pharmacovigilance domain. So, do you have any course or short-term course on a pharmacovigilance? And if yes, you can share the structure and the fees of that course.
Oh, yes, definitely. And pharmacovigilance is our major domain. Frankly,
Okay, okay, okay.
pharmacovigilance is our major domain. I think in India, when you look at other institutions, other training centers, they provide either the certificate course or the diploma in pharmacovigilance. But we have variety of courses. We recently have launched 6 courses, in one go in pharmacovigilance, and in that all are hands-on trainings, all are practical based trainings. And we are having our own softwares of pharmacovigilance, like that we recently purchased Argus for the students
Oh,
training,
great.
and yeah, and for the trainings in the institutions, because many of the institutions, they always, come up with the complaints and always come up with the request that, like, you provide the hands-on trainings to the students, right? Other
All
institutions do
right.
not provide that kind of training. So we have recently purchased our own Argus software for the training purposes. And we have launched one of the major catalog. I'll say the six courses in the pharmacovigilance. Let me show you that. I'll share our uh,
Quickly, if you can show us that what is the content of that
yes,
course,
yes,
right?
definitely. I'll show that as well.
So
So you
it's
see,
Dr. Ajit, I also say that, I'm just sharing from my experience while you are showing the courses, that it's not always a student.
yes,
Sometimes we who are working in the industry, because we don't have a knowledge of everything, we also
yes,
want to refresh, we can also take this course, right?
yes. So these
Okay.
courses, yes, these courses are made for the all type of what we say the beginners, when we include the students, or the interns, or and then beginners in the industry who have just joined the industry, and they want to gain the experience from outside. They want to gain the
Mm-hmm.
specific skills from outside, and the people who are even in the intermediate level of jobs, like after 2 years, 3 years, they want to upgrade their jobs, or they want to switch the jobs into the other domains, or in pharmacovigilance itself, if they want to go from suppose signal detection to narrative writing, or from signal detection to medical writing, or maybe
Okay.
pharmacovigilance to medical writing to pharmacovigilance, we have such courses also, such switching courses also, where they can just add the value to their CV, and they can learn
Mm-hmm.
these skills from us. So I was just showing you the pharmacovigilance. If you look at our website, curioctri.com, this is our
Yes, yes.
institute, this is our integral part of CleanMed. So here you will see that many courses which we have recently launched are there. So medical
Mm-hmm.
writing we have just launched last week, and the classes are starting on 16th. I'll come to that later, but let me show you the pharmacovigilance. If you click on the pharmacovigilance, you will see that
Mm-hmm.
the entire catalog is here. So if you
Okay.
see, this is first course which we are providing, executive diploma in pharmacovigilance. This is if you look at just the duration part here, the this is 6 months diploma, and here
Okay.
4 months will be the theory classes, and in these we conduct around 20 to 25 live classes on the weekends, and then
Mm-hmm.
after 4 months there is 2 months of industrial internship. 2 months of industrial internship means that is live CRO based practical learning. We give the live projects from our CRO, our TMAT CRO, and the other renowned our collaborated CROs. We provide the live workshops. We give the live case scenarios. We give the live assignments from the real time cases, real time
Correct.
scenarios in the
So
industry.
actually, Dr. Ajit, this is also good where you said that internship, because one of the biggest trouble with student is that they face is that everyone tells them they are a fresher. They don't
Yes.
have experience. So they can add this as an experience. So that's the thing. I like it. So can you also tell me the fees of
Yes.
this course? So,
So as the fees, I think we are not charging anything. We are just charging
okay.
4,000 for the entire 6 months diploma, including the internship. Including
Oh,
internship, it's
great.
just 4,000, and in this 4,000, you will get a book, the complete material, also complete written material. You will get all the video recordings at the end if you are missing the classes, and you will get all type of trainings. You will get the internship, you will get the assignments, you will get all the exams, and you will get 100%, the students will get 100% placement assistance, as you can see here. So in the placement assistance, we support the students by giving recommendation letters, by giving reference letters, by showing them the job openings, and then
Yes.
conducting the mock interviews. So like there are a lot of things what we provide additionally to enter the market after our courses.
So if I want to split it, like you said, around 5,000, so it is even like 5 or 600 per month. So
4,000.
very much affordable.
It is
Yes.
4,000. So 6 into 6, 650 per month. Yes.
650. I mean, it's just like one cost of one pizza, right? They can
Yes,
afford
cost
it,
of
right?
one. Absolutely.
So that's a good thing. And one last thing, Dr. Ajit, do you also give a certification for these courses? Like once they
Yes,
are passed out, you.
absolutely, absolutely. I get a lot of even such what we say the questions from outside India. The Our students are staying in USA, our students are staying in UK, Europe, and they are in Canada, Australia also. So this is the pharmacovigilance batch is not our first batch. This is our 15th batch of pharmacovigilance right now. So we are
Oh,
running
great.
pharmacovigilance courses and diplomas for last almost 2.5 years since we started business, and the best USP of CLIMAD is that we don't give the recordings, we don't have LMS, the students don't get the self-paced, the classes. They get 100% live classes, instructor-based classes. So they can come, they can talk to the instructor will teach, and they can ask the queries in live class 100%. So this is our 15th batch right now. We are starting this January only. We have started. Only one class has happened in the entire pharmacovigilance. If someone wants to join, they can join right now as well. So here I was telling that price is very cheap, and the certification, yes, they get the certificate for the diploma or for the course as well. Along with that, they will get the certificate for industrial training separately, and that is valid.
Sure, sure.
Yes.
That will be great, because certificate is important for students, So now, Dr. Ajit, this is of pharmacovigilance, another field where lot many
Ma'am, I
people.
just wanted to show you a little more in this. I'll take your.
Okay, okay, go ahead, please.
Yes. So this is diploma in pharmacovigilance, which is 6 months. And the people
Yes.
who just want to have a quick glance on pharmacovigilance, they can join our 3 months executive certificate in pharmacovigilance. Okay. So they will get this package in 4 months. Here, they will get 3 months classes and 1 month internship. And this course is
Okay.
2,999. Okay.
All right.
They want to go super specialized in pharmacovigilance, like they want
Mhm.
to just learn aggregate report writing. This is especially aggregate report writing, where there are such classes, some classes common, like
Mhm.
the basics of pharmacovigilance. Otherwise, they will get 100% separate classes and specific classes on aggregate report writing. This is 4 months, 4 months certificate course, again, especially in aggregate report writing in pharmacovigilance. This is again 3,000 rupees and 4 months direct course. And if they want only the course in signal detection, this is completely for the signal detection. This is again
Okay, okay.
3,000 rupees, 4 months diploma. Okay. And then
Hmm.
if they want only the hands-on training in safety databases, we have that course also, 3 months certificate course, 3,000 rupees. And that they also can do this, the safety database management. And if they want something like international pharmacovigilance regulations, we have very special course for 3 months where we will be teaching just international pharmacovigilance regulations to them if they
This
want.
is this is really great, Dr. Jeet. I tell you one practical problem. So what happens? Sometimes students get a job in a pharmacovigilance at very beginning level. Those are very basic jobs, I will tell you. But when they want to switch, because we have to advance our career, right? So then they need these type of things also. That do they need in detail signal detection or aggregate report writing? So once they have a basic, they can also learn these specific courses as well. So this is like you are really helping industry as well.
No, this super specialized courses we have launched because the students, this is actually the last three: signal detection, international pharmacovigilance regulations, and safety database is an aggregate report writing. It's especially for the people who are working in the industry, in the industry for at
Yes.
least 2 to 5 years, and they want to, go to the specific domain, like only into the
Upgrade themselves.
upgrade
Yes.
their skills and upgrade their job in the industry. That is for them.
Correct.
So
Correct.
they can definitely join, and here they can see the brochures also. If I, I think I have the brochures open in my laptop as well. Let me share this. I'll show you one diploma certificate.
We will also leave a link of all these courses in description
Definitely.
for the students reference.
So this is executive diploma in pharmacovigilance, 6 months value-added diploma, and
Mhm.
here they can read about us, about the course. And here, let me just share the course highlights. This is, as I told, 4+2, 4 months theoretical classes and 2+2 months industrial internship, and they will get
Mhm.
all support from our side, mock interviews, soft skill development sessions, and then, as I told, they will get the course material book also that will be delivered
Mhm.
those steps for free, 100% free. We are not charging anything extra other than 4,000 rupees. And there are
Oh,
100
great.
live classes with real-time query resolutions. They will get the affordable prices. As I told, if you go to the industry, ma'am, you will get these classes, these courses in at least 20,000 rupees. We are just charging 20-25% of the market rate. And institutions are charging 50,000 to 1 lakh rupees for pharmacovigilance diplomas.
Yes, I know that. I know that when we also, like when I started, there are institutes like they were charging more than 1 lakh
Yes,
for
absolutely.
these type of courses. I'm talking about 10 years back. not now, 10 years back.
Now they're
So,
charging a lot. Yes, yes, yes. And in these courses, we have, one very specific additional thing which is called leadership dialogue. So here we call the people from the renowned industries. They are,
mhm.
you know, executive level people like directors or presidents, and for the from the pharmacovigilance and from the industry, they just come and they tell about their life experiences, how to prepare to get into the industry, and how to crack the interviews. We call the HRs to talk to the people. So this is the
Okay.
session in these all diplomas and courses. So anyone from the pharmacy department, pharmacy, or anyone who wants to develop their understandings in pharmacovigilance can join. All pharmacy, life science, medical, dental, nursing students, all other professionals also can join. So there is no level or no bar for the learnings. And syllabus of the course, if you see, this is very much comprehensive. We teach this course
Mhm,
20 to 25 classes. So introduction, basics of pharmacovigilance, international regulations. This is the diploma, which is combinedly
mhm.
actually having everything. So method
Yes.
using pharmacovigilance, then case processing, seriousness, expectedness, casualty assessment, and key documents, signal detection,
Mhm.
PVPI, and we talk about the drug dictionaries also, adverse drug reaction reporting system, ICH system, I mean ICH guidelines also, periodic PSURs and aggregate reports, safety reports. We talk about audits, inspections, pharmacovigilance compliance, and softwares also, case studies, career guidance, and regulatory process of medical devices as well.
So it is comprehensive.
It is
It's covering
comprehensive. It's
everything,
comprehensive. Yes.
yeah, it's covering everything, which is the reason, that main key reason that, I thought to connect with you, because you are giving a lot of knowledge in one class.
Yes.
So even it is helpful to pharmacy student to clear their annual exams as well. So, I mean, few of these topics are from their syllabus only,
Yes,
right?
if you look at the
So,
MPharm pharmacovigilance, there is a separate course MPharm for pharmacovigilance itself. So it covers almost important topics, all the important topics in this course.
Hmm. Basically, this course is, fitting all the boxes. Like, it is affordable. Lot many topics they are covered in this. Plus, you are giving a book also, the material also. Plus, the access to live classes. And the topmost is that all the classes are taken by industry experts. It's
Industry
not
experts.
like
All
someone
are industry
reading a
experts.
theory.
Yeah, this is not
Yes.
something monotonous that one person will come and teach all the classes. So this is not monotonous. We have many faculty members from different
Okay.
industries. So our students or participant gets the real time knowledge, and what we say, the diverse knowledge from different companies, different company environments. And the best,
Correct.
these courses are completely online, 100% online, including internship is 100% online. And we conduct these classes in the weekends only, Friday, Saturday, Sunday evenings after 6 p.m. So, everyone can join these classes after their, school timings, college timings, or duty timings. These are really
Correct, correct.
easy for them.
And I also like the fact of recording also, because sometimes what happens is that uh, it's not easy to absorb all the information during that 1 hour. So if I wanted to revisit, if I wanted to recheck that, that class, I am having that opportunity. And the topmost is that these certificates, as you said, that they are globally acceptable, like in US, Canada, anywhere in the world, they
Yeah.
are approved, right? So that's great. So, and another course, we most of the student they want to know is that, especially these PhD students, BDS to an extent, MBBS also, that is there any course on a medical writing?
Oh,
If you
yes.
have some course on a medical writing, you can just tell us about that as
I
well.
think we got
And what
connected.
is the content covered
We
in that?
got connected.
Medical writing is a hot topic, you know.
Yes, I think we got connected on the right time, because we just have launched the course, and tomorrow is the last date of the registration, frankly. So, many of the students have already joined. So if you click on the medical writing, if you see here, this is the executive diploma. We have launched this last time. We had three courses in medical writing. One
Okay.
was executive diploma, one was executive course, certificate course for 4 months, one was for 3 months. But this time we did not launch those courses, because those courses will did not have the internship, right? So this time we have come up with only diploma, because there is not much difference. Certificate courses are also 3,000, 3,500, and this diploma we are providing in 5,000 now.
Okay.
5,000 only we are providing now, because last time it was 4,000, but this time we have raised the fees little bit. The reason behind it is that we have added some very specific, what we say, the modules on clinical trial transparency writing.
Okay, yeah. It's a
And
new domain under medical writing only.
yes,
Most of pharma companies, they are set, they have their own clinical trial transparency departments. And
yes.
in fact, they are not getting people.
Yes, so this is very specific, and we need experts, we need a lot of resources and a lot of things. So, and along with that, we are providing that 2,000 rupees internship free of cost, additional to this diploma as well.
Oh,
That
great, great.
so 2 months internship in medical writing is also included with medical writing course. I mean, with pharmacovigilance, that is pharmacovigilance. With medical writing, we are providing 2 months medical writing internship as well. So if you see this diploma, this is again 6 months, 4+2 package. So 4 months classes will be there, and 2 months the internship will be there. And the course fees is 5,000 rupees. And it is starting on February 16th. So
Okay.
still time is there. And tomorrow is the last date, January 31st. And we already got a very good number, but we are still inviting the people until we get the full batch. And we have the brochure. I'll show the brochure as well. And in the
Yes.
website, we have made it very, easy for the students to, find out the queries and answers here. Like, what are the top of, many people come up with, like, why did you launch this course? What is the objective of this course? So
Hmm.
we have all type of queries resolved here only, like in the frequently asked questions. So it is very
Correct, correct.
for their navigation. How do I enroll to the medical writing course? What is the average class size? Everything is there.
Hmm.
Everything is there. Is there a final project or assessment at the end of the course? If they have such questions, they can get all the questions answered in the website itself. And if you look at the browser,
Content.
we
Hmm.
go from there. You can directly go from the website. Every course is having the browser. I will share that. It is coming here also, and I think opened also. So yeah, we'll see here only, no problem.
It's loading. It's okay, Dr. Ajit. It's loading. So main concern from community, you can say, is that anyone who wanted to start with the medical writing, they may be experienced people. That's the beauty of a medical writing. The other day, the girl was asking that I have a nursing background.
Yeah.
She has done a master's in a nursing, and now she has experience of 5-6 years. Now she wanted to start medical writing. So which is pretty much possible. They can just do this refresher training, and then they are good to start the job in the medical writing field.
Yes. So if you see this, ma'am, this is the diploma in medical writing. It has opened. We have, as I told you, we have additionally, added the clinical trial transparency writing and industrial internship to this batch. And see, all 100% placement assistance, expert people from top-notch companies. We are giving it on affordable prices, and you will see that again. Not only that, we are giving the course material, the book worth 500. Additionally to this, only there is no extra charges. In 5,000, everything is included. Your
Yeah.
book, your
So basically, this is the thing I like the most. You are not leaving student. Even the course is over, so you are giving them, this is our material, keep on reading.
yeah. And we are not charging like I have seen many colleges, they charge extra for material, they charge extra for recordings, they charge extra for internship. So we are comprehensively coming in 5,000. Everything they will get, they don't have to pay a single penny extra other than that. So
That's great.
there
Even
are,
in fact, many of medical writing classes I also attended.
yes.
We also don't know all the topics. So whenever I wanted to know about something, especially the manuscript writing, I used to attend these classes. So I like the teaching very much.
So, and there are the faculty members from top industries, and this is again all the pharmacy, medical, dental, nursing students, researchers, PhD students, all can join this. And if you look at the course content, this is two-page content. I say medical writing
Okay.
is one of the more comprehensive content, and we take 25 to 30 classes in this diploma.
Oh,
Yeah. And if you see, entire introduction to medical writing is included, which takes 2 to 3 class, drug development process, 2 to 3 class, scientific writing, 7 classes. Here,
oh.
the completely distinct domain we have included in this, where the people, who wants to go for the freelancing, they learn about manuscript, they learn about literature review search, they learn about what are the components of manuscript and all, they learn about how to write the systematic reviews, how to write the original research, how to select the journal, and how to submit the paper, including
Oh, great, great.
sentence control. Everything is there in this.
This is also, in fact, Dr. Ajit, very helpful. Suppose some student is in a master's or PhD because they have to write the papers, and
Yes, absolutely.
these are the big hurdles for them.
Yeah.
I know that when I was in master's, I was working on my thesis. My guide said write a paper, and I was clueless. Honestly saying, I was not knowing anything. I was just asking here and there. I wish this course would have been existed at that time.
And keeping those, what we're talking about, the people, keeping those researchers and students in mind, we have included absolutely, which is not a part of medical writing, but I have kept it evidence-based medicine, where they just learn how to read the papers and how to validate them internally, externally, how to see the p-value, how to check what exactly
Hmm.
in the papers, if the paper is good to read or not good to read. I have included that evidence-based medicine in that. And then medical writing for clinical research industry, we talk about protocol design, CRFs, investigators brochure, clinical trials, study types. We talk about review process, entire review process, including management, quality check, proofreading, and ethics of medical writing and good documentation practices. We have the post-marketing phase, writing also, documents in medico, marketing, DSURs, PSUR, and all CSRs, clinical safety reports, and report amendments, data analytics.
So you are covering everything.
Yes, yes, absolutely. And not only that, we are covering entire regulatory writing and submissions, including IND, NDA, BLA,
Oh,
dossier
great,
submissions,
great.
CTD, CTD submissions. Everything is included in this course. This course is very much comprehensive, and people can come and learn everything here, and including all
Correct.
important guidelines like concert, stroke care, Prisma, and all. And then soft skill
Hmm.
development. And you can see here all the personalized trainings, including interviews, mock interviews, and then the especially added, 2, 3 classes. A special domain we have added is clinical trial transparency this time, this for this batch.
That's really good to know, Dr. Jeet, and especially the mock interview. It's helpful. It gives an idea to a student like how actual interview is going to happen, right? In fact, I also gone through one of your mock interview before this session, like how you take, how
Absolutely.
it is done. It is really, I will say that a good effort. It's the same as it happens in the industry. So that's a good addition, like mock interview. So what I am seeing in your courses is that they are more from a practical side than the theoretical side.
Yes, yes.
So that's the highlight. Um,
And you will see there
Dr.
will be
Ajit, there is
certificate.
one question if I may ask you.
Yes, yes,
We have covered PV, we have covered medical writing.
yes.
So I know you have a lot to say, but I'm cutting you, sorry. So one is that if someone is confused, there is also this category as well. They don't know that shall I go for medical writing? Shall I go for pharmacovigilance? This is the real situation, ground situation. Then is there any course like a clinical research,
Yes, I'll
they
come to
can
that.
take on, so
Yes.
later they can decide like, okay, which is better for me. So
Absolutely. And I just wanted to say one more thing, that,
hmm,
there are the real-time feedbacks we included in our brochures,
okay.
based on quality content, based on the course content, based on the course management, facility and mentors, faculties and mentors, end-to-end engagement on different parameters. We observed our cases, and all the parameters we achieved 9 out of 10. 9 out.
Hmm.
And not like simply we are talking about, we are keeping the feedbacks with their names and from which college, from which company, like Sinus Health. They are like, they're working in the like Dr. Reddy's laboratory. See, Rohit has done the course, so they are keeping all the feedbacks live. We are keeping with their
Okay,
permission. So,
that's great.
for the, the people should not understand that we are just simply keeping them. And if you go to the
Hmm.
website, yeah, this is, I think I'm on the website. If you look at the website, and if you go there in the more students testimonials, okay, if
Hmm.
you go to students testimonials, you will see that these are, the live Curio alumni's feedbacks. You will see that how they have given all the feedbacks, and how those, about all the classes and all, like suppose if I open this comprehensive
Mm-hmm.
learning experience, you will get with the photos, with the details. It is not simply we are just saying. So comprehensive learning experiences, if you see the someone says that the course is confidence booster, someone says that course is well designed curriculum, course is new direction in the new careers, exceptional opportunities for the career. So there are a lot of things, and along with that,
Correct.
just you ask that if we have some other courses. Yes, we have clinical data management, we have the courses in clinical, I mean research paper writing, we have the other trainings like ICA GCP, we have the diploma in regulatory affairs, we have the medical coding. So we have the entire buffet. They just have to choose based on their interest, and if they are
Especially, Dr. Ajit, sorry again, is there any course if you can show us clinical research?
Yes,
You
yes,
know,
yes. We have the course in clinical research. This is right now the executive certificate course in clinical research project management, and we have
Mhm.
the postgraduate certificate course in clinical research and project management as well. Right.
Oh,
So
great.
this batch is just ended. We will start new batch from March. But along with that, we got something, very, very cool for everyone, especially for the MBBS and BDS students. Let me share.
Mhm.
That will be, something. So if you see this course, this is not yet into the market. I'm showing you only right now here, but yes, we are launching it, next week. So this course we have come up, with the some of our all the courses, and this is especially designed for clinical research. This is 6 months executive diploma in clinical research and project management. And
Oh,
if you look at the title of the course,
wonderful.
how to become a clinical research investigator, professional
Mhm.
certificate training course for medical and dental students and professionals. So
Great, great.
we made it like their direct, entry to the industry, right? And if you see that, this is for all the medical students, and then other doctors, researchers, academicians, whoever is interested, they can join definitely, because this course is very much helpful in the clinical research, and who is really interested to become the investigator, who really wants to do the clinical research in hospitals, in industry, and also they will get a lot of clinical research fundamental understandings. They will develop the practical skills from this course, and they will understand the ethics of research, they will understand the regulatory landscapes worldwide, and a lot of things. I'll not come to that. And at the end, definitely they will get the diploma certificate, they will get the ICA GCP trainings with 24 months of validity certificate, and then 100% placements assistance, class recordings for 1 year, more than 1 year we are providing in this course. And all the course trainers are from industry, and this course is completely designed by the mentors from industry. And if you look at the course curriculum, we have entirely covered all clinical research, from the introduction,
Mhm.
protocol designs, informed consent, good clinical practices, site setup, feasibility assessment, patient recruitment and retention, clinical trial operations, adverse event reporting, and data management and documentation, budgeting, financial management, quality assurance, clinical research ethics, career pathways and opportunities. And then we have especially even included in this, because they all are MBBS, BDS students, also needs the publication in their, education tenure. So we have
Correct,
especially
correct.
included the scientific writing and publication, how to write the manuscript, and how to, select the appropriate journal for the publication.
So actually, Dr. Ajit, you touched the right point. In the industry also, in a clinical research, there is also a lot of scope for medical student,
Yes.
because there are students who they don't want to practice, go into a practice. Everyone has their own reasons, right?
Yeah.
But just wanted to share my experience that there is a lot of scope in a clinical research industry. Like you said, investigator, being an investigator, even person is doing a practice, they can also be an investigator along with that. And you are covering all the important topics, especially the GCP, good clinical practices. That in the industry people are charging so high just for GCP certificate.
Yes, 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 ma'am, yes. So we are, giving the training in the latest,
Hmm,
ICH GCP guidelines, and we are giving this training for 6 days.
correct.
And, with that, we provide the certificate also after a little examination, as we don't just give the certificate to, every registered participant. We conduct a special exam, a special, a small exam, and then we give the certificate, and this certificate validate them for next 24 months. They can use our
Two
certificate
years Yes.
2 years anywhere, because
Hmm.
the new guidelines keep coming, right? So
Correct.
we give them the certificate for 2 years that is validated, and they can use that certificate anywhere in the world, in the industry, in the
So
hospital.
that is important thing, Dr. Ajit, because anyone who is doing a course, certification is important for them. Even if I am doing something today, if I'm getting a certificate, that's important to me. So if you are providing a certificate which is acceptable globally, it's a very good, advantages, I will say, that of pursuing this course. So, so
It
this is for a
recognizes,
medical
it
folks,
actually
right?
recognizes their efforts of learning.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes, yes. That's true. That's true. So, Dr. Ji, there is one more thing is that that everyone is talking these days, that is AI. Huh? So I know that you are a very innovative person. So now there is like application of artificial intelligence in everything, like clinical research, medical writing, pharmacovigilance. So you have any course like where student
Absolutely.
can
That also.
uh,
Yeah, that also.
okay. I also want to enroll for that. Honestly saying that, where
So
we can learn about application of AI, maybe a basic. So
So before I go to the AI course, I'll tell, through you, I'll invite all the MBBS, BDS students and all the clinical research aspirants, all the PharmD and pharmacy students, healthcare students and researchers who wants to learn this. They can, start joining. We are opening this course on 1st February, I mean, day after tomorrow. And the registration
okay.
will go on up to February 23. And this course is starting on March 2nd. There are only 50
Oh, great.
there are only 50 seats, and most of the classes will be again 100% online. And we have
Mhm.
the specific timings now. We are not telling that Sunday evening, Sunday afternoon. We have only one class every Sunday, 2 hours practical class, 2 hours theory class. Every Sunday, 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. classes will be there. So if anyone is,
Okay.
they can join. Only 5,000 is the fees, 4,999 for this entire diploma. There is, nothing. So
That's that is the biggest perk of your courses, is that they are very, very affordable. I mean, this is one thing you are doing good for society, I'll say that. So that's you should feel proud on that you are able to bring the courses in on very affordable prices.
Ask me.
uh you know
So I'll tell that in every batch, not everyone. Definitely, we don't give this opportunity to everyone. But
Mhm.
there are one or two people in every batch of such courses also, who shows up the very good skills and very, enthusiastic, what we say, the urge to learn these things, and we give them the free seats, or we give them, again in a very less amount. So there are such
Oh,
facilities also again after this also.
so after this also there is a facility, like if there is a student who is very bright or brilliant
Yes.
but still they even can't afford this, you have
Yes.
other options for
There are
them as
options
well.
as well. Yes, 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 definitely.
So
Yes.
focus is that to train them better, right? That's really good to know, Dr. Ajit.
Yes, thank
So you
you.
will get lot of blessings for that, I'll say that.
So I'll come to that. I'll show you that what I was showing before is not this. I think you were asking about AI, right?
AI, because these days AI is the most talked word, and it is impacting every area of the life. So
Again,
if there
I'll
is
go
any
to, yeah.
course they can learn.
Again, I'll go to our website. If you see here,
Mhm.
main, our website home, you will see AI diploma. Just click on the AI diploma, and you will.
Mhm.
This is the 6 months diploma in AI and machine learning essentials for pharma industry. So we have conducted this course for last 1 year, and right now we are starting our third batch of executive
Mhm.
diploma in artificial intelligence and machine learning essentials for pharma industry. And this course is designed in some other manners. So this
Okay.
is designed in 3+3. Like, so if the students doesn't want to learn the ML, or what we say, the advanced AI, they can just
Mhm.
learn the basic AI as well. And
Okay.
or has expertise in basic AI, they can directly learn the advanced AI. So we have
Mhm.
this diploma, we have divided into two courses. One is course one, which is executive certificate course in basic AI. Another one is
Mhm.
two, which is executive certificate course in advanced AI. right? So
Hmm.
someone takes the diploma, they will learn everything. Course one, course
Hmm.
two. And if someone wants to learn just one course,
Basics, yes.
yeah, they can join one course in just 2,500. And if they want to join the diploma, they can join the diploma entirely just in 4,000 rupees.
And this is the one course, Dr. Ajit, everyone should do it. At least basic, everyone, like me, you, everyone
Yes,
should do
yes,
it,
and
right?
you would believe that, Sarabji, I have, recently completed our own classes on AI and ML because it is very much helpful in our research as well because I'm working for ICMR and
Hmm.
working on some, specific prevalence studies and, prognostic studies and, futuristic studies. So AI ML is something which is really, the game changer in clinical research. And so we must know the basics of
So
AI.
I just want to give you a comparison. I got a call from IIT Bombay. They are doing 2 days, just 2 days course only on that too on Chat GPT and OpenAI tools and few other things. 18,000 just for 2 days.
Oh,
So
yes.
here you are giving them a course like that. Beauty of this course is that you have divided, like if I'm not interested in coding and all things, I can just go through the basic. That's good for me,
Yes.
right?
And let me tell you that we are having third batch right now, or we are running through the third batch right now. And every time we come up with the 50 batches, I mean, sorry, a
Hmm.
batch of the 50 students. And
Hmm.
in the first batch, by after saying no to many students, we got 60 students. I mean, we restricted the admission to still after references, after direct calls from the principal directors. You have to take our students in this course and all. We got 60. We restricted to 50, but still we had to run the batch with 60 because we don't want to, make a mess or chaos in the class, right?
Yes, yes,
We have to
yes.
give
I
the
got it. I got it.
hands-on training to everyone. So
Because your name is also associated with the certificate. Otherwise, you will start giving certification in a mass, like go take it, take
yeah,
it.
otherwise,
You are.
like everyone else, we can just put these courses on the self-pace, and students,
Hmm.
they learn or don't learn, they'll get the certificate and pay the fees, and done. We don't want to do that there. So till now, I think in last 5.5 year of the CleanMed journey and 1.5 year of the Curio journey, we have come up with lot of plans, lot of ideas, lot of investors, but I always say no to go for the self pace because I think this is our USP. Otherwise, we'll be like all others, right? So
Correct, correct.
here they learn live practical from our faculty members here. So this is the course, and if you want to see the you know
The content.
the content is here. Yes.
And Dr. Ajit, fees for this course is also the same, 4-5,000 or how it is?
The diploma of AI is just 4,000, and if someone wants to take up one course, course one or course two, they just have to pay 2,500. That's all.
Okay, even less than 4,000. Yes.
Less than
Okay, that's
4,000. So any course like which is 3 months course, basic or advanced, they just have to pay 2,500. And if they're taking the full diploma, they can take both the courses in just 4,000 rupees. Just 4,000.
oh, that's really good. That's the biggest benefit of these courses because affordable learning should be there. So that if today I want to learn about something, I can simply come here and can take some course and will learn. Right. So
So,
that's really
yes,
good.
definitely. So this is our 6 months skill development value-added diploma course in artificial intelligence and machine learning, especially curated for clinical research and pharmaceutical industry people who wants to
Hmm.
industry. And if you see the course one and course two, if you look at this, you know, yes, the best part here is that is 40 hours of learning. That is one of the largest course, comprehensive course, and 100% hands-on training, and again end-to-end student management, student engagement. And if you look at this syllabus one has 14 sessions of 2 hours almost. Every session is 2 hours, and they straight away, we are not telling the students to learn the theory or learn something. Straight away from the first week we are introducing them to the Python, which is
Oh, that is the coding language. Yes, yes,
yes,
yes. This is
yes.
really a smart content. Yes.
Yes, basically directly we are involving them to the hands-on training and the practical part, and with the theory. and data manipulations with pandas and all, exploratory data analysis, EDA in pharma, statistical analysis using AI, machine learning with
Mm-hmm.
pharma. And that's the first course. And if you look at the second course, it is completely different and advanced.
Mm-hmm.
Here we talk about, here we, teach deep learning. Here we teach natural language processing. Here we teach deep learning for pharma again, GitHub, collaborations, advanced AI projects. I mean, there is a lot to learn in this diploma. And
Yes.
let me tell you, this batch also, we are completely, tightly filled with 55 students. Then I restricted all the, like, yes, we have to do that because we cannot go out. So go out of the batches. So they can join if they are interested. They still can join our new batches. New batches have been
Mm.
recently. One was in December. As you can see, one was in December, and the recently we had to start forcefully. We had to start our third batch in January because there was a, what we say, the flood of students.
Response, yeah.
It was completely, my message box is completely flooded by we want to join, we want to join. And one college has completely, taken over the course. They're like, our 30 students will join your course. So there are
Oh.
many, many students who are joining these courses, and they're really interested, and the wonderful feedbacks as well at the end.
Yeah, yeah. So, Dr. Ajit, I have taken your enough of time, but one last thing,
Oh, that is perfect.
last course, SAS programming, so that, because that is one of the key requirement for the analysis in a clinical trial, there is a set of folks who are interested in a SAS programming. And if you ask me, in a industry, SAS, training is very expensive. So if you have something in this category as well, some course in a SAS train or a SAS training, you can just let us know that if there is any course on
Yes,
SAS.
definitely. SAS is one of the very promising area and very
Hmm.
new area, if I say, for the industry. And many students wants to join the SAS. And this is very tough. Again, if I say, as per my experiences, because students pay the money, students come to the classes, but after 6 classes, 5 classes, 4 classes, even from the second classes itself, students start telling, sir, we cannot do it. हमसे नहीं हो पाएगा. Sir, please refund our money. Sir, we don't want to run this course. We just, came into this because we thought like it will help us. But this is really tough because they want, they really had to do a lot of practical exercises. They really had to do the daily
Yes.
exercises in SS, and they have to learn it. But if they learn it once, it is a lifetime, thing. They just have to,
Hmm.
create themselves. But this is a very, very good, if I say, the wonderful opportunity in the pharma industry, because SAS is the only programming, right now, what, WHO expect, not WHO.
FDA as well,
FDA accept,
Dr. Ajit.
right? FDA only accepts SAS programs, only
Yes.
this data, right? So that is one of the very promising area and very promising, things to learn. And yes, we had the course. We had recently finished the batch, and next batch definitely not right now, but next batch will be coming up in April. Not right now, but in
Okay.
will be coming up with the SAS program. We have already planned the schedule for April. So we are launching this program in March first week, and 1 month for
Hmm.
the registrations, and then the students can learn this, right? If you look at in our other new courses, I'll show you the old thing. This is SAS programming. So yeah, this is the SAS program. We have the SAS programming as well, and we have almost run 10 batches of the SAS programming till date in last 5 years. 10 batches.
Oh,
Yes, so this is, we have the complete clinical SAS programming. This is 6 months again. And here, yes, because resources and the softwares and the learnings and the hands-on trainings by the faculty members are too expensive as well.
correct.
The things are, the tools and all are quite comprehensive with expensive part as well. So this course we usually charge a little more, but this
Mhm.
is also nothing. Okay, I'm telling you, this is also just 20% of the market, just 20%.
Yeah, yeah, I know.
For the
I know it.
SAS programming, if you look at this, the companies charge somewhere from 50,000 to 2 lakhs,
Correct.
2
Yes,
lakhs.
yes. You are right. You are right.
And
So one thing they say that you also train on SAS programming software.
100%. 100%.
Okay, that's yeah, that software in itself is very expensive, you know. So,
So 100% we teach on SAS. Our trainers are, from the first day they introduce the students to install the SAS programming, and
hmm,
they run the students over SAS programming, coding, and everything whatever is needed. So it is 100% hands-on training, no theoretical classes as well, and they bring the clinical projects from our industry, also from other industries as well, and they provide the hands-on training on the live projects, live clinical projects. So we teach the SAS basics, SAS advanced, and clinical SAS as well. All three type of SASs. Who wants to learn anything, they can join us. So I'll just show you the brochure once. So here
yeah.
they can visit our website, and they can check everything is there in our website. All the courses, maybe the dates are old, maybe the things are old, but they can check out the brochures, and they can ask they can inquire with us on our phone number, on our email IDs, and they can directly WhatsApp message. Yeah,
All
so
right, all right.
yeah, if you look at this is comprehensive training and certification in clinical sales combined.
Mhm.
We are providing all combined package of base, advanced SAS, and clinical SAS project-based work, right? So this is, I think, last year's. This is old,
Mhm.
I think, current update. But the new batch is coming in March, 2025. So again, exclusive SAS learning from for the clinical purposes, combined package of all SAS, live classes, hands-on practice through assignments and cases, SAS practice
Mhm.
solution, everything we are providing. And here, if you check, first, in phase one, we train the students on base SAS, all the topics
Mhm.
mentioned here. In phase two, we train the students on advanced SAS, and in phase three, we train the students on SAS clinical programming. So there are three phases of
Great.
6 months. So yes, duration is 5 to 6 months, 6 hours per week learning. So we conduct the classes for 2 days, Saturday and Sunday, 2 hours classes.
Correct, correct.
Yes.
So thank you, Dr. Ajit. You know, you have explained all the courses in quite a detail. I think this will be helpful to everyone to a great extent. So if I wanted to recap everything, so all the courses, they are very affordable, between 2000 to max 5000,
Yes.
and there are courses that you are giving book as well.
Yes.
so
Yes.
so that's the also highlight. You are giving them the recording of the classes as
Yes.
well. Not only that, the certificate that you are giving, that is internationally acceptable, it's approved
Internationally
everywhere.
accepted.
and
Absolutely.
and addition to that, you are also including in few of the courses good clinical practice certification, which is valid for 2 years, right? So that's good. Dr. Ji, just one thing, if you can show them the contact number or email ID, if they are having some inquiry, they can just send it to you. So,
Oh, yes, yes, definitely. It is very important for all
yeah.
of them. So let me show you this. This is very important. Yes. So they can reach out from our website also. We kept all the details there, and if they want to, contact us directly, they
So
can.
we can highlight on a screen once, like,
Yes, 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 absolutely, absolutely. We are highlighting this. So
Hmm.
if you just look at this here are the numbers, email ID,
Yes, yes.
and yes, everything is there. They can check out at the
Mm.
lower screen. I mean, the lower part of the screen, they can see both the phone numbers, they can see the email ID, and they can contact on any number, call, WhatsApp, anything, message, text.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's great. So, thank you, Dr. Ajit. I mean, you have explained everything lot in detail, and these courses, they are, basically helpful for society. And one thing I like, we also want our India to progress. I'll say that this this is setting, good environment for research.
Absolutely.
So because from heart we want, like, our country should progress. That is possible only if we are having good trained people, right?
Yes.
So, because you know that in 2013-14, the clinical research was at its lowest. Now it's picking a speed, right? So that's, in a way, you are also helping a nation. So thank you so much for that. So,
Thank you, ma'am, for this really wonderful conversation. And Yes, I am here to help the students and with the good quality content, good quality classes. Yes, definitely. And they can connect with us anytime. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Bye bye.
Bye bye. Bye bye. Take care. Thank you.